everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. In this video I'm going to show you today how I cut my daughter's hair at home. You can see her haircut. This is done by me also. Today I'm not gonna change this haircut, but I'm only going to trim and cut the dead ends and rough ends. I'm going to stay with the same haircut and I'm going to show you how I cut this. For this we need all of these stuff. First I'm gonna cut the chopper. I'm using the shopping bag as an apron because I don't have apron at home. Hair cutting kit, I don't have the proper hair cutting kit, so I'm using this shopping bag. You can also do that. Once the apron is done, now I'm gonna wet her hair. For wetting her hair, I'm using the spray, the aloe gel spray that I make at home. I'm going to show you in some other video, this one also, how you can make it at home. It's very good for your hair. You can use this spray on kids' hair also. For this haircut, first we need to separate hairs like in sections, like 2 to 3 sections. For now I'm making 3 sections, and first I'm going to do the back, then we'll come back to front. Here I've started the cutting from the back. I'm cutting her hair from back like 1.5 inch because I'm just trimming and cutting the dead ends. You can cut up to the desired length, whatever you want, shorter or longer. I don't want too much shorter, so I'm just cutting 1 to around 1.5. Now again coming to front, I have separated the front part also again in 4 sections. Now we have to take the middle part, and I am leaving, as you can see, I am leaving some hair on the sides of ears so that I have the proper middle section on her head, like kind of a crown, kind of something. I am trying to create a crown cut. That step will create volume in her hair. I am following the same steps that I did last time because I need the same haircut, so I am following the same steps. Once the middle part is done, Now I will even out all the hairs, the ones that are left near ears. Checking both the sides are equal or not. Yes, equal. Now here comes the front part. On the front I'm gonna cut the bangs. I'm cutting the bangs on the center. As you can see, I have not taken any part like from left or right. On the center, these bangs can move left, right, center, anywhere, and they are not too short also. Now the haircut is done. I'm just brushing out with the blow dry brush so that I can show you how the haircut looks. I don't use hair dryer on her hair because she's very small and the heat is not too good for her hair. So I just, whenever I need to give her a little style, I only use this brush. Our haircut is done. You can see it's not too short, and I stick on to the same haircut so it looks quite same, but because I had to cut only dead ends, so I'm quite happy with this. You can see how it looks. Thanks for watching the video. I really hope it's going to be a little bit helpful for you guys also. Keep watching my channel. Do subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any videos. And please like and share it with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.